In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in ClickUp. Forms in ClickUp are a great way to collect information in a structured format and automatically turn submissions into tasks. This is especially useful when you want to gather requests, feedback, intake details, or any kind of repeatable information without manually creating tasks each time. To begin, open the ClickUp list where you want submitted responses to become tasks. This part is important because the form will be connected to that specific list, and every submission will flow into it. Before moving on, make sure you're in the right location so everything stays organized from the start. Once you're in the correct list, click the plus view button and select form. This creates a new form view inside that list. Think of this as the place where you'll build, manage, and review your form. Next, choose a form type. You can either start with a template or select start from scratch. A template can save time if it already matches the kind of form you need, while starting from scratch gives you more control if you want to build everything yourself. After that, add your form questions. Insert the fields you want respondents to complete, then arrange them in the order that makes the most sense. Clear, well-ordered questions make the form easier to fill out and help you collect better information. As you build, keep the experience simple and focused so people can complete it without confusion. Now open Settings and configure the form. This is where you choose where submitted tasks should be created. Taking a moment to confirm these settings can prevent responses from ending up in the wrong place and helps keep your workflow running smoothly. When your setup is ready, click Preview and test the form before sharing it. This is a good chance to check that the questions are clear, the layout looks right, and the submission process works the way you expect. It's always better to catch issues during testing than after people start submitting responses. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the form available. Publishing activates the form so others can access it. Then click Copy to copy the form link and send it to your respondents. You can share that link wherever it makes sense for your workflow, so people can quickly access and complete the form. Finally, return to the form view and click Responses to review submitted information. This lets you monitor incoming submissions and confirm that the details are being captured properly. That's how to use forms in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.